We all daydream about relaxing island getaways with great friends and our toes in the warm sand. Now, imagine adding a world-class Italian chef creating an epic four-course dinner inspired by the flavours of the Amalfi Coast. And suddenly, that daydream becomes a reality. Now it's your chance to reignite your holiday memories with this exclusive beach foodie experience happening right here at Isola Rottnest this September. Come on, let's go see what they've got waiting for us. The Massimo Isola Beachfront experience is an interactive foodie adventure you will never forget. It all begins with tutti a tavola, which means all at the table. A vibrant evening with celebrity chef Massimo Mele drawing on his Italian Tasmanian heritage to create an evening of storytelling, flavour, and that unmistakable Italian hospitality. Andrea, you're living here on the island. Do you sometimes feel like you're just at home?
Yes, of course. When I came in Australia 10 years ago, I was looking for this kind of lifestyle. So me and my partner, we just moved on this island and we love it.
So what can we expect from this event? What sort of flavours, what sort of seafood will we be trying?
So, like always in Isola, we try to sponsor by a local product. We call Chilometri Zero in Italy. So everything is all around us. The new season of scallop is coming from Rottnest Island, while our dish for prawns is coming from Shark Bay.
So what dishes can we expect to be cooking with Massimo Mele the next day?
So in the master class, it's gonna be so excited cooking with Massimo Mele, and they're gonna have a small entree like with a fermental octopus, a warm salad, and they're gonna have a taglierini with a Rottnest Island tuna.
Oh, wow, nice.
And a sweet treat is gonna be the sgroppino.
What's a sgroppino?
So the sgroppino is a mixture of sorbet, lemon sorbet, with a little bit of Italian limoncello.
Oh, amazing. Savour the freshest local seafood and West Australian produce, perfectly matched with carefully selected wines. Prefer something a little more spirited? The team has you covered with a lineup of island-inspired cocktails to keep the good times flowing.
I cannot wait to bring Massimo over. He's never done an event like this in Western Australia. I cooked with him years ago at a charity event in Sydney, and I was so impressed with the way he treated produce, his love of Italian-Australian food, and what he's going to bring to this. We've just poured in the best West Australian produce to this event. It's just going to be next level.
And after all that indulgence, it's time to unwind like royalty in one of Samfire's beachfront or poolside suites. I mean, can you imagine waking up to this, coffee in hand, or Bellini, whatever works? It is just breathtaking. But don't get too comfortable because the fun continues the next day with a rare hands-on masterclass with Massimo himself, set to the stunning backdrop of Thompson Bay. He's going to guide you through 3 cherished seafood dishes from the Amalfi Coast, sharing his love of food, his philosophy, and his family stories along the way. Check this out, the beautiful Samfire beachfront accommodation. This is Rottnest as you've never experienced it. And trust me, you'll be talking about it long after the last bite. The Massimo Isola Rottnest experience offers something truly unique. Access to one of Australia's top chefs, beachfront accommodation, and the opportunity to taste, learn, and live La Dolce Vita right here in WA.